Hello guys, welcome again. Let's start to design this part in Catia. So let's start. First of all, we will open the Catia software. Then we can go in mechanical design as part design. And give whatever name you want to give. That's okay. Our first task is to make the just wait. It should be open. So our first task is to make add this on plane, and we are at our geometrical shape work. So call one point here which is exact at origin. And I can go to insert and select SSD and select point from this specification tree. And now this is our part. So you can see, first of all we will design this front view of this. So let's start to design in Catia. So select sketch position, select xz plane and origin as a projected point and parallel to line. Make this reverse to get to a perfect orientation. So let's start design. Go to profile tab. In profile and select this profile command and start to design rough sketch of this. So we have designed like some rough sketch and check dimension also. Length should be 150 and height should be 50. So I can take our length as 150. So we can make it center align. So click here and click right click to this mouse and go to allow symmetric line and select this line as symmetric, so it come center to the this Y and make one circle here. So the value of this is 50. So this circle is from bottom is 50 and from Y axis it is 50. From this it is 50 and from this also it is 50. So let's again edit this and call one here, call again profile command and make one vertical line here which is value at 16. Yes 16. Sorry, mistakenly we have done this sketch. So value is 16. Now make one line here from here to here, but this line is tangent to this circle. And I can go to here operation command. In this operation command you can see trim. So select this line and this line, so you can get one column pointer, and then you can select this circle and make this circle as constructor element. So it is only for reference purpose. So our rough sketch is done. So we can check here sketch analysis. So it come ISO constraint, means it is fully constrained. So exit this workbench and our pad value should be I think 16. Yes, of course 16. So go to, first of all select this part body and go to pad, value of pad is 60. Now we should sketch the top side of this part. So select top means XY plane in this case and select projected point as this point as usual and parallel line this, so our orients come like this, vertical and horizontal axis. So go to and design this rough sketch like this. So first point from here, here. So as usual this is come as 150. and make center align to this, as it is 150 to half of this means 75, and I think this should be 16 minus 70, 70 minus 67, 54. This value I think 75. Yes, and this value is 60. So our sketch is fully consumed. So come back to the orientation point, and of course the pair value is 16. So this is done. Now we have to make this slot like function here. So I can go to sketch position, I can select this x5 plane. Sorry, we have selected mistakenly this x-axis, project line, this parallel line, and here you can get this slot command. Select this slot, and value of this slot means center to center distance is 32 and outer radius is 16. So we will give first of all this as 16. So this is 16, and of course this circle is also 16, and we can get center and center distance at 32. Yes, from this to this it is 26, means 26 plus 16, it comes 42. From this to this we have to check how much it is. 36 and half of this 75 means 75 minus 36 means it comes 39. Okay, of course it is right. Now exit this workbench and select pad value. Pad value is 16 plus 3. So 16 plus 3, 19. Now we have to make inner side of the slot. I will go to this plane. As usual, make this, yes, and I can go to the same command and draw. So this is like this, and this value I think there should be 16 and this should be 8. This is 8. Center to center distance is same as the previous of the slot, is 32, and from this to this it should be 26 plus 16, and from this to this it should 75 minus 36. Yes, it is right, and fully sketch. So come back to the exit workbench and select distant pocket. So you can clearly see pocket should be come at opposite side to make it reverse direction, so you can get proper. Now here you can see one fillet like this. It is 50 fillet. So select fillet and here, and diameter is 15, his value should be 25. And now we have to make here one testing feature. Again go to sketch position, select this point, diameter of this is 50. From this to this is 50 because we have done ordering in first sketch, so we have no ordering on the value. So come back, and pad value should be, I think the pad value should be 25. Just it come 25. Again we have to make the inner hole which is 25, and go to the position sketch. Again select this ZX plane. Again go to select this point, could be this. Okay, some more different it come, so it okay. I think the whole size is 25. From this it should be 50. Should be 50. So close the workbench. Use command 3D command as a pocket and make it reverse so it come at this dash. So our this similar part is done. You can see